You know, in real estate, everyone talks about location, location, location. But sometimes it's about secrecy, secrecy, secrecy. Take 431 Holly Road, a beautiful home truly. I had a hunch this one wouldn't need a grand public debut. And boy, was I right. We kick things off with Compass Private Exclusive. Think of it as the VIP lounge of real estate. The property is discreetly shared with a select network of agents and their buyers before it even hits the broader market. No public photos, no open houses, just quiet whispers among the right people. While 431 Holly was enjoying its moment of private exclusivity, something magical happened. Another fantastic agent on our very own Reynolds team had a buyer who was looking for exactly this home. It just goes to show you sometimes the most effective marketing is about connecting the right people at the right time with the right opportunity. So if you're thinking about selling and you like the idea of a little less drama and a lot more done, let's talk. Because at the Reynolds team, we have strategies to sell your home, whether it's with a bang or with a beautifully orchestrated whisper.